Very good morning to all my dear children. So in the previous class we have started the second chapter in the mathematics, that is 4 operations together. What is the topic? 4 operations together. So what are those 4 operations that I already told you? Yes, addition, subtraction, multiplication and then division. Okay, today we are going to do 3 word problems by using addition and subtractions. Okay, let me start. So I have given you question. I think you can able to see it. The population of Uttar Pradesh is 19 crore 95 lakh 81,477, and the population of Kerala is 3 crore 33 lakhs 87,677. So here they have given the 2 states, that is Uttar Pradesh and Kerala. 2 states population they have given. So what is the question they asked? By how much is the population of Uttar Pradesh more than that of Kerala? So by reading the question itself we can understand that Uttar Pradesh is more population than Kerala. So that's what they have asked. How much more? So we have to find it. Okay. You can see these numbers here till 10 crores period. Here also crores, but here only crores. Here till 10 crores. So which one is greater? Uttar Pradesh. Then Kerala. After Uttar Pradesh only Kerala, right? So how much it is more population? How much more? So what we have to do? First we have to come to the concept that what we have to do. Addition or subtraction? Yes, we have to subtract. Okay, first we have to start writing the statements. Okay, so the first thing what you should write, the population of Uttar Pradesh. The population of Uttar Pradesh. What is the population of Uttar Pradesh? Is equals to 19 crore 95 lakhs 81,477. Okay. Then the population of Kerala. The population of Kerala. So what is the population of Kerala? 3 crore 33 lakhs 87,677, and we found that this sum is subtraction sum, right? So there are 2 main things in the subtraction. What are those 2 words I already told you in the first class? Yes, minuend and subtrahend. So in these 2 things, which one will be the minuend? Of course the Uttar Pradesh, because it has the larger number till 10 crores. Okay. So what is meant by minuend? Minuend is the number from which another number is subtracted. So this is minuend. So from this only you will be subtracting this number. So this is minuend. Okay. So next thing is subtrahend. What is subtrahend? The subtrahend is the number which is subtracted from the minuend. So this is subtrahend. So using this number only you are going to subtract from this. Okay. Shall we start subtracting it? First you should write the minuend, that is Uttar Pradesh population. 19 crore 95 lakh 81,477. So next thing is, next subtrahend. So from the back only you have to start. 7, 7, 6, 7. You should write to the straight. So subtraction symbol. Okay. So this is minuend and this is subtrahend. Shall we subtract it? Okay. 7 minus 7 is, of course, 0. Okay. Again 7 minus 7 is 0. So from 4 we cannot subtract 6 because 4 is smaller than 6. So we have to borrow it. If we borrow here, this place will become 0, right? So before itself we can borrow from here. This will become 7. This will become 11. Okay. If we borrow from here, this will become 10. And this will become 14. So 14 minus 6 is what? 8. Okay. Now here 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. From 7 we cannot minus 8. So we have to borrow. This will become 4. This will become 17. So 17 minus 8 is what? Yes, 9. Then 4 minus 3 is 1. 9 minus 3 is 6. Again 9 minus 3 is 6. And then 1. I think you can able to see it. 7 minus 7 is 0. 7 minus 7 is 0 again. 14 minus. From 4 we cannot minus 6. So what we have to do? We have to borrow from here. If we borrow here, this place will become. So before itself we can borrow from this 8. So this 8 will become as 7. This 1 will become 11. So if we borrow from here to here, this will become 14 and this will become 10. 14 minus 6 is 8. And then 10 minus 7 is 3. Then 17 is there. 17 minus 8 is 9. Then 4 minus 3 is 1. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 3 is 6. And then here this one you'll be writing as it is. Okay. Now we have to write the answer. What is the answer they asked? By how much is the population of Uttar Pradesh more than that of Kerala? So the population of Uttar Pradesh more than that of Kerala is equals to, you have to write this. So before that we can write the place value over the numbers. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, and then 10 crores. So now you can mark the commas. These two are crores, these two are lakhs, and these two are thousands. So 16 crores, 61 lakhs, 93,800. So this is how you have to find the answer. I think it is very easy for you, right? So shall we move on to the next sum? Yes. So this is one more sum. Okay. Okay. So the second is Rahul's brother joins a college. The tuition fee for the first year is 55,567. The other expenses for the year amount to rupees 25,679. So what are the total expenses for the year? By how much is the tuition fee more than the other expenses? Now you can see that Rahul's brother, he joins a college. Okay, so the tuition fee for the first year is 55,567 and other expenses for the same year is 25,679. So the first question, totally two questions they've asked. First question is, what are the total expenses for the year? So total expenses means what we have to do, addition or subtraction? Yes, we have to add. What we have to add? We have to add the first year tuition fee and then other expenses. These two amounts we have to add. So we will get one amount, that is the total expenses for that year. So the next question is, by how much is the tuition fee more than the other expenses? Like the first sum, how we have done. So you can see the first year tuition fee that is greater than the other expenses, because here also till 10,000, here also till 10,000, but here 55,000, here 25,000. Which one is greater? Of course the tuition fee is greater. So by how much they have asked, what we have to do? Same like the first sum. Yes, we have to subtract. Okay, so which one will become a minuend? This will become a minuend and this will become a subtrahend. Okay, so we'll just find out the answer for the first question. What are the total expenses for the year? So we have to start. Rahul's brother joins a college. Okay, the tuition fee for the first year is equals to what amount? 55,567. So the next thing is other expenses. For the year. So how much it is? Sorry, we have to write the rupees symbol. Rupees 25,679. So what are the total expenses? Total expenses. So that is what we are gonna find it. Okay, so we have to add it. 55,567. So 25,679. So add 7 plus 9 is 16. 6 carry over 1. So 6 plus 1 is 7. Here 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 5 plus 1 is 6. Here already 6. So 6 plus 6 is 12. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So now we can write the place value. Ones, tens, 100,000 and 10,000. So how we'll put the commas? 81,246. Okay, so therefore the total expenses for the year is equals to 81,246. Okay, so what is the next thing? By how much is the tuition fee more than the other expenses? By how much? What we have to do? We have to subtract. First we have to write this is A question and this is B question. Okay, so first we have to write the minimum, that is 55,567. Next, subtract 9,7,6,5,2. Okay, we can write like this: tuition fee. This is. Next we are gonna write other expenses is equals to this thing. So subtract. This is minus, this is subtrahend. We can subtract it. From 7 we cannot minus 9. So we have to borrow. This 6 will become 5. This 7 will become 17. Now 17 minus 9 is, yes, 8. From 5 we cannot minus 7. So we have to borrow. This will become 4. This will become 15. 15 minus 7 is again 8. From 4 we cannot. So this will become 4. This will become 14. So 14 minus 6 is 8. Now 4 also we cannot. From 4 we cannot minus 5. This will become 4. This will become 14. So 14 minus 5 is 9. 4 minus 2 is 2. So we'll write the place value: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. Okay, now we'll put commas here. So 29,888. So at last we should write the tuition fee more than the other expenses is equals to how much? Rupees 29,888. Okay, I think so you all understood this sum. So through GCR I will give you the homework sum and you have to do it and send it to me. Thank you so much, children. So now the third sum is what should be added to 5 crore 32 lakhs 45,891 to get 5 crore 89 lakhs 44,603. So these types of questions sometimes you may get into confusion. So you have to read twice. Okay, once again, what should be added to? So what number should be added to this number to get this number? So let me take this number as first number. Okay, first number. So what is the first number? 5 crore 32 lakhs 45,891. So to this first number we have to add second number, right? So or other number. So when we add the first number and the other number, we will get this number. So what we have to do? We have to find the other number. Okay? Other number. So we don't know. So we have to find this other number. So what is the process? How we have to find the other number? Very, very easy. We have to do the subtraction process. So what are the two main things in the subtraction? Minuend and subtrahend. Do we have here minuend and the subtrahend? Yes, of course we have minuend. See, here also 5 crore, here also 5 crore. See the lakhs place, here 32, here 89. Which one is greater? Of course this is greater. So we have to write the minuend. 5 crore 89 lakh 44,603. Subtrahend is of course this. So from the backward you will be writing this. Okay, shall we subtract? Yes. If we subtract this from this number only, we will get the other number. Okay, so 3 minus 1 is 2. From 0 we cannot minus 9. So what we have to do? We have to borrow from 6. So the 6 will become 5 and this will become 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. 5 minus, from 5 we cannot minus 8. So what we have to do? We have to borrow. This will become 3, this will become 15. 15 minus 8 is what? Of course 7. Now from 3 we cannot minus 5. We have to borrow. This will become 3, this will become 13. So 13 minus 5 is 8. From 3 we cannot minus 4. Again borrow. This will become 8, this will become 13. 13 minus 4 is 9. 8 minus 2 is 6. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 minus 5 is of course 0. So we will write the place value over these numbers. 1s, 10s, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So 56 lakhs 98,712. Okay. So this is the other number. Now we have found the answer. What we found? We found the other number, that is 56 lakhs 98,712. So what should be added? Only this is the number. So if we add this number and this number, we will get this number. Shall we check it? Okay. First 5 crore 32 lakhs 45,891. This is the first number. Now the other number we found. Okay, from the backwards you can write the answer. Okay, that is 56 lakhs 98,712. 2 plus 1 is 3. 9 plus 1, 10. So 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 5 plus 3 is 8. And this 5 will become as it is. So did we get the answer? See, look at this. 5 crore 89 lakh. 5 crore 89 lakh. 44,000, 44,603, 603. So we have found the correct answer, right? So very easy if you understand the question. Okay, so I'll give you the homework through GCR children. Thank you.